First of all, sit comfortably in a quiet place. Gently close your eyes and take a slow deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Observe the cool sensations as the breath comes in and observe the warm sensation as the breath goes out. If your mind wanders, and it will, don't judge yourself, simply notice it, simply observe it, and gently bring your attention back to the breath. Whenever thought pop up, say silently, thought, 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 and come back to breathing. That's it. That's the mindfulness.